Okay, welcome to the Routine Instructor's School of Shot Selection. Okay, you got ball in hand here and you're on red. Alright, you got problems, you got two reds dead there and two there. How would you attempt to pot a ball and break those balls open and go game? Put it in the comment section and then come back and push play and see if you were right. Alright, the way I would do it, straight away, give myself a nice little angle like that. The one in the middle, and pop that and hit that. Hit it hard enough where it hits and it's a chance of breaking them out too. Alright, so I'm giving myself the perfect angle. I'm not bashing it, it's just give yourself that nice angle where you're going to get your cannon 100%. Alright, so I'm putting it right on that perfect angle. Alright, don't have to hit this hard, it's just a little bit of a punch, that's all. Okay. Alright, broke them out in the open. Didn't get the best result, but it's still a result, they're all on. Alright, so now all I have to do now is just roll this one in, dead weight. Okay, and now I should be able to map my out nice now. I've got all the balls that are on, it's just a matter of going the right way. Alright, so I'm going to pop this one first, come down here, try and get this one, then pop this one, then pop this to get onto that one. So, going to run through, I'm going to try and get to about there. So I'm going to play top spin, run through. Okay, that's nice. I can just drop this one in, just roll it in, dead weight. Okay, now I'm going to have a look at this. Is it on? Because if that's on, I'm going to play it now, and it's very tight. So I think it's on. So if I drop this in, I'm going to pop that, and then I can roll that one in. So this is worth taking the risk, just rolling it in. Okay, so it's about playing the right shots. As you can see, this drag shot will land on the cushion. Like that, so I've got that angle where I'm going to land out away from the cushion when I pop this ball. Alright, let's drop this one in. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want to ask any questions, feel free to, and we'll see you soon. Cheers. Okay, welcome to the Routine Instructor's School of Shot Selection. Okay, another episode. This time we're on reds, but we've just got two balls that are a problem. Okay, so let me know which ball you would use to break these out and go game. Type in the comments section what you would do, pause the video, quickly go do it, come back and see which way I end up going. Now, a lot of people would make the mistake here, potting this one and automatically looking at this thinking if I land there I can come off there and hit that. You'll leave yourself trapped in behind there. You don't hit it right. Always try and hit it from this way, because you're going to push it towards the pocket, and that, big chance, you'll still be on one of the other balls. Alright, so this is how I would go. Alright, as I said, people will try and pop that, pop this one, then try to pop that and break it, or land over here, pop that and break it. Okay, it's not how to do it. I'm going to show you. Just pop this one, stun over to here. Alright, then pop that. You kick them, you're going to be on that one, all the ones that you kick in, all these. Gives you so much better option. So I'm just going to show you what I meant. So just a nice little soft stun screw first. Okay, got the angle now to pop this and hit the bunch. And going this way too, if I happen to not hit low enough on the cue ball, okay, then I will come off the back and hit it and end up relying on a bit of luck, but it's still a chance, right? But you hit low enough and you hit it, alright, and you hit it, it's perfect. Alright, so I'm going to show you the next shot. Don't have to hit this shot hard, it's just a nice little soft stun screw. Okay, just to make them on. Alright, I'm on that one. Alright, they're all on now, so just got to pop this one. I probably could have done with hitting that just a little bit harder, but it's still a good result because they're all on now. It's just a matter of controlling what you're doing, because that's on and that's on into there. So now I can just pop this one, bounce through the gap, give yourself a choice of reds. want to get on this one ideally, roll it in and just bounce to here, then I can pot that, come to here, pot that, come over to here to get onto the black. That's the plan. Alright, so I'm just going to hit high on the cue ball here. Okay, it's a little bit soft. Alright, but as I said, got a choice. Now, all I've got to do is pop that, come back to here, pop that, land low, and then just roll it in to get over. So it's about playing the right shots all the time, that's all it is. Okay, see, I know if I drop this in, I'm going to be low. So where I can just roll this in and still be on the black. So let me know in the comments what you think. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys. Don't forget you can super fun, show a bit of appreciation. Catch you later. Okay, here's another situation. This time we have ball in hand. I want to know which way you would go, where you would start from. So put in the comment section, and I want to know what order you would pot the balls in. So put it in the comment section, come back, and let's find out if you're right. Okay, now I look at the table when I'm like this, and that's a problem there. I like to deal with my problems straight away, but I want to land where I'm going to get right behind it, got an easy shot at it, and be able to continue, get on another ball, easy, alright? So what I would do straight away here is just put it to the middle pocket like that. Little soft stun screw, I'm going to get right behind this ball, alright? And then I want to be able to pot this ball, bounce out, and be able to pot this one next, then pot that one, then that one, then roll that one in, pot that, pot the black. That's the order I want to go. So I'm going to play just a nice little soft stun screw, really soft. Okay, get right behind it. Okay, I might be a little bit too straight here, so I've got to punch this one in to get out off the cushion. So I'm going to play just a punch shot, plain ball. Okay, alright, now I'm exactly where I want to be, and now I can continue. And I'll pot this one, this one, this one, that one, then that one, and the black. Alright, so just got to run through nice and soft. Okay, just going to pot this one and bounce off the cushion so I can pot that one. So just going to hit the cue ball high. Okay, just going to roll this one in. I want a little bit of angle, just. Okay, so now I can pot this one. Because I'm going to use this yellow for position, the next shot. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just going to drop this one in. Okay, now I'm going to use the yellow as a stopper. Alright, just going to roll it in really soft. Can the yellow. Now nicely on the black. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next one.